Hello and welcome back. Today we are going to restore the speakers. We're going to disassemble everything to have a look inside and fix all those things that might be broken. One issue is for sure the furniture. It gets loose over the time. As you can see, here's another speaker. The furniture is loose and I'm using some glue, which is usually for a die cast, but it's a long pin and very easy to apply the glue. So you get into very deep into the furniture, and some tape to fix it. First we need to remove any dust which might be possible in between. And now let's apply the glue. Remove the glue immediately, makes it much easier. I'm now going to use the tape to fix everything, and afterwards we give it a rest for some hours to dry the glue. And now let's repeat this procedure for all other loose parts. Well, in case the connectors are missing, it's quite easy to get them. There are several types available here with screws. Just ensure that the plus wire goes into the correct pin. Okay, now let's disassemble the speaker. Be careful when you remove the front panel. There are some plastic pins that get easily broken. There's always a lot of dust inside. As you can see here, someone already tried to fix the furniture. Unfortunately, it looks horrible. Now let's have a look inside. You can see the really two-way speakers with real cones, very good quality. I never saw any broken speakers. Let's clean the case with with a wet towel. Before we continue, let's measure the size of the speakers in case we need some replacement. The diameter of the cone is about 60 millimeters and the screws are about 55 millimeters. The diameter of the larger speaker is about 115 millimeters and the screws are about a bit more than 102 millimeters. The speaker itself is about 120 millimeters. Well then, let's reassemble everything and continue cleaning the speaker. I give the front panel a little shower, just to remove all the dust and to get into every edge. There was some paint on the grid. I don't know why, it's just from the previous owner. I tried to remove it, but I failed completely. And also, in case that some paint is missing, some black paint, I'm using a pen just to avoid repaint everything. And basically you do not see any difference. It looks really great afterwards. Just in case that the grid is loose, just remove all the old glue, and I use some hot glue to put it back on. There's a notch on the grid, so the direction is then very clear. Let's put the front panel back on and we are finished. Well, I think the result looks really good. It's like new. And in case you've got a device where someone already tried to fix the furniture and it does not look good, I have the perfect solution for you. Just cover it with a CD. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. And see you next time when I'm going to dive more into modifications for this device. Cheers!